In September, we had a new friend come to the farm. Her name was SusieQ, and she was a 5-pound ball of energy. Her first squeaky toy wore her out right away. It took Trixie a while to get used to her and used to the competition. A pearl of wisdom is that goats can become very possessive of their owner, as I was to learn. Susie wants to play. Trixie's hungry. I learned from experience, as you will see at the end of this video, when I got caught in a tussle between the two of them. Holding her rope? You gonna hold her rope? Hold on to her rope. Don't let her get away. Just having a fit to get out there with her. Susie just likes to be tantalized, doesn't she, Trixie? Says, get away, I gotta eat. Trixie, don't eat my hair. Go eat your grass. You're jealous because the baby's up here on my lap. Susie's up here on my lap. Yeah, and you're jealous, aren't you? Yeah, you're jealous. Susie, you're jealous, aren't you? Yeah, you're a jealous girl. Yeah. You've been my baby for so long. I'm saying, Susie, stay out of here. It's my turn. My turn for attention. Oh, not on my lap, Trixie. Yeah. Got one of you on one side and one on the other. Now, Susie, that's not a good position. You're going to get me in trouble.